Thank you for calling my phone support. How may I help?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How may I help you?
I have a message on my screen that says my computer is blocked.
Okay, and what do you mean it's blocked?
It says please contact Microsoft support on this number. But that number does not work.
Okay. Okay, I see. When did you encounter that problem?
I'm not entirely sure.
Okay, I see. So, may you please, what are you doing once while the pop-up advertisement shows up?
I was watching some online movies. This
Okay, I
computer.
see. It's because usually for that one, that is a pop-up advertisement on your screen. And that number on your screen shows they're the one who created it so that you will call them. Once you call them, that's the time that they'll be asking you to pay, let's say, $600 to $1,500 for them to
Okay.
remove it for you. So regarding for this one, do you have a subscription under My Phone Support?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, may you please provide me your email address?
Maybe.
No, your email address, please.
Okay. Marvin.
Okay.
JUST.
Mm-hmm.
347-955-9978.
Mm-hmm.
I call you from the Bronx in New York.
No, I'm asking for your email address.
Of course. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry.
What is your name?
I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
What is
Sounds
your
like
name?
you're robotic.
No, sir. I am a human.
Okay, I see. So regarding for it, once again, may you please provide me your email address so that I can check your subscription if you have a subscription under My Phone Support?
No, I don't think so. It is
Okay, may you
empty.
please provide me your telephone number?
331-263-1522.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and your name, please?
My name is Marvin.
And your email address?
Marvin. JUST. I'm not entirely sure.
Okay. So because here in our end, yes, we can further assist you. We can remotely access your computer, or our technical support can assist you to remove that pop-up advertisement on your screen, and there will be a paid support here from My Phone Support.
Okay.
And how many computers do you have?
I'm not entirely sure.
How many computers do you have?
Three, three, three.
I'm
I call
sorry.
you from. Can you repeat that? I did not understand.
I'm asking you how many computers do you have?
I call you from the. I call you. One.
Okay, you only have one computer, okay? And what
Yes.
version of Windows you're using?
I'm not entirely sure.
Is it a laptop or a desktop?
It's a desktop.
Okay, so what's your complete name?
My name is Marvin. My last name is
Last
Just.
name?
Just.
Okay. Let me check here if you have a subscription on us.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, it shows here that it doesn't show any Justin or Melvin Justin just here. How
My
about may
name
you
is
please
Marvin.
provide me your email address?
Marvin.
Your email address, please.
No, I don't think so.
You don't have any email address?
No, I don't think so. I'm not entirely sure.
Okay, sure. So this is what our paid support here. Our technical support is amounting of 249.95. That's good for 1 year for one computer. And you can give us a call back here every other 30 days to fix your computer for you.
Okay,
So will you get our technical support here so that we can transfer it to our technical support?
maybe. I received a call from Windows security team. They have noticed suspicious activities
Hmm.
from my network. It seems like someone is trying to steal my identity, username, password, and financial information.
Okay, I see. Usually that one is not from Microsoft. The one that called you is part of like a scam group, claims to be part of Microsoft. They'll be asking you to pay once again six
Okay,
hundred to $1,500 for them
of
to fix it.
course.
So I'm asking you, if you'll be signing up to our technical support for 1 year, our technical support can remote access your computer and fix it for you.
Probably.
What do you mean probably? Are you
This
signing up
computer
to
is shared
our
by everyone in the house.
249.95? Hmm? Okay, no worries. Even though it's shared by everyone in your house, the technical support for 1 year, it's covered by the device, not by the user.
Okay. I use the computer to stay in touch with my peers on the worldwide internet webs.
Okay, so once again, are you getting our technical support for 249.95?
Okay.
Okay, may you please provide me we need an email address so that we can proceed for the
No,
technical
I
support
don't think
fee
so.
here and we'll be sending it. Okay, I see. It's because we need an email address. We'll be sending the receipt on your email address.
Thank you so much.
Okay, have a great day. Bye.
Thank you so much. Hello.